So what up guys, it's your boy Jory. Bali guys, atong i-content sa atong channel ron kay bago pa man atong channel. By the way guys, dugay na ako ga-vlog sugod ko vlog October 15 din. Nawala akong channel guys, nakatong Jory Carl. Dako na to siya subscribers dili sa pag binoret guys no. Bali gamay pagkawala to ning undang kog vlog kay sayang akong kuha na no. So kalimtan na to guys. Past is past na guys. At bali atong content sa atong channel sa atong channel ron kay streaming, vlogging, etc guys. Ug unsay mabuhat ug unsay mao na unaan i-post largo guys no. Ano pagduduwa. Ila sa data guys, introduce ako sa myself. Ako din si Jory Dumato, gapuyo sa Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur guys. And I am 16 years old guys no. So like diyon bali atong streaming ron nig makasulod na ko sa dula guys. Bali stream na to. Wala pa facecam guys. Kay ang iPad man gud nasa sulod sa kwarto sa akong mami. Ay sa akong mama dayon. Malo kumupukaw kay basin masuko no. So I hope sunod na na facecam guys. Let's go. Sugdan na to guys. Let's go.
Enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
What's up guys? What up guys? Nagsugod na nandula. Anta dili ni cancel tong Kakauban guys para Grandmaster 2 na ta.
Never beg for your life. Revenge! Revenge!
Haras maging giniberda. Harasan mo ba yun?
Longer yours.
Request backup.
Taking your life is too easy. Experience the horror of death. I possess the most powerful.
First
Wow.
blood.
No. Death is not
Ayun.
Request backup.
taking your life is too easy. Your life is no longer yours.
Chill sa ta. Ifit sa ta na
Request
kapit
backup.
ng panagat.
Have a taste of my most sinister magic.
Request backup.
Never beg for your life.
Request backup.
Taking your life is too easy. I possess the most powerful magic. Your life is no longer yours.
Launch attack.
Made na mga Franco pre.
You have slain an enemy.
Kala mo nga. Baga nawong ha.
Never beg for your life.
An
Ah,
ally
nahok
has
pag
been
yun.
slain. Request backup. Request backup.
Experience the
backup.
horror.
Request backup.
Revenge. Revenge.
Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain.
Sumukas clash.
I possess the most powerful magic.
Mga pinagamay ka
Your
din.
life is too easy. Never beg for your life.
Ah,
Have been slain. Backup. Our turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain. Request backup. An ally has been slain.
kaya nga si sprint ko.
I possess the most powerful magic.
Request backup. Enemy killing.
Mayuwa sa Ginivero eh.
Request backup.
Ipa guys, may gano'n. Na tayo guys.
Our
Pindi tayo.
turret is under attack.
Grabe. Stick na.
Request
Your
backup.
life is too easy.
Stick na mga tangina.
Never beg for your life.
Your team destroyed a turret. Request backup. Request backup.
Experience the horror.
An ally has been slain. Request backup. Request backup.
Taking your life is too easy.
You have been slain. The enemy has slain the turtle.
Ah,
Enemy rampage. Request backup. Our turret is under
hanggang
attack.
saan eh.
Request backup.
I possess the most powerful magic.
Okay.
Launch attack.
Your life is no longer yours.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Backup. Request backup. Enemy killing spree. Shut down. Request backup.
Ah, bugo. Ah, sa saan? Ay, di ma'am kuyog.
Enemy double kill.
Gusto terstok na bugo. Step na.
Revenge. Revenge. Taking your life is too
Buas, buang ay.
Never
Hala.
beg for your life.
Lord resurrecting soon. Enemy killing spree. Enemy godlike. Attack slain.
Lag. Rason paglag.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Your life is no longer yours.
Our turret is under attack.
Taking your life is too easy.
Enemy legendary. Shut down. Enemy unstoppable. Enemy double kill. Our turret is under attack.
Revenge! Revenge!
Our turret has been destroyed. Enemy godlike.
GG na ni guys.
Request backup. An
Nabugo
ally
ang
has
Kakauban.
been slain. Our turret has been destroyed.
No. Death is not my end.
Surrender na mga tanga.
Our turret is under attack. Shut down. Our turret has been destroyed. Request backup.
Experience the
Our
horror.
inhibitor turret is under attack. Enemy rampage. An ally has. Ally has been slain. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Guys, mga kauban ng cancer. Tingnan na naman to.
Never beg for your life.
Our inhibitor's under attack.
Your life is no longer yours.
Initiate retreat. An ally has
Ito
been
katawa
slain.
pambugo oh.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Experience the horror of
Ay,
Enemy
Lord.
ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Enemy killing spree.
no.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Slain.
Pag may dula na siya farm bell. Siya utok nula. Nice pa. Mandirigma. Ahu. Kauban sa mandirigma guys. Ahu. Mandurigma. Ohi. Pero,
Launch attack!
yun no.
The enemy has slain Lord. Enemy godlike!
No. Death is not my end.
An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat. Request backup. Initiate retreat. Enemy legendary.
Paglos ng sun, oh.
Have a taste of my most sinister
Our
magic.
inhibitor turret is under attack. Initiate retreat. Our turret has been destroyed. You have slain an enemy. Enemy legendary shut down. Double kill. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Launch attack.
Have a taste
Nangangamoy
of
comeback
my
to, ah.
most sinister magic.
Initiate retreat.
Never beg for your life.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Experience the horror of death. Taking your life is too easy.
An ally has been slain. Double kill. An ally has been slain. Enemy legendary. Our base is under attack. Double kill.
Ano na, GG na. Yes, napakabobo naman yun. Okay, paglambo, ano eh. Tangina guys, napamura tuloy ako. Tangina talaga yung kasama ko san. Siya pa yung nag-una-unag trash talk na mo. Sugod pa lang. Gignan ko niya. Bobo mo naman, Faramis. Wow. Sino yung bobo sa atin ngayon, boy? Tangina mo, boy. Bobo kay Kamdula. Go farm kami. Siya go farm while kami ga clash ga roaming ko. Yeah, siya pa yung maguna. Siya pa yung napay guts nga mo trash talk, no? Kaag na wong guys. Pero okay na to guys. Lingaw-lingaw rin na Mobile Legends, no? Then mabawi rabi pa na sa 1 star rabi to na naog. So unta na enjoy nito nyo guys, no? Unya ta na enjoy. Unta I hope na enjoy mo sa akong streaming guys. And also please subscribe to my channel. And also please follow on my social media accounts. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Guys, salamat guys. Sunod na pod. Kita na po to sa sunod streaming guys. Tatabangan ko ninyo para mo-grow akong channel, no? And may mo na po nga successful YouTuber guys. Salamat guys.